Today we will discuss a new extension to our existing CAN trigger and decoder option to support CAN-FD Lite. Let's start with an introduction to CAN-FD Lite.
First, what is CAN-FD Lite and how it is different compared to CAN-FD. CAN-FD Lite is designed for low cost. It's a command-and-response architecture based on the CAN-FD protocol. CAN-FD Lite is also designed for lighting applications and vehicles. It was developed to meet the requirements to control modern vehicle lighting systems consisting of hundreds of pixels and to provide this control at low cost. CAN-FD Lite is a commander-response architecture. What does this mean? To reduce the complexity and cost on the nodes, the network contains only one commander and all the other nodes are a responder. The commander controls the entire communication and sends data to the responder on the network and also requests data from them. The responder only answers to such request. CAN-FD Lite is using a simplified subset of the CAN-FD protocol. Because it's a commander-responder network, there is no need for arbitration. Therefore, there is only a base identifier with 11 bits. CAN-FD Lite can be combined with CAN-FD, but not with classic frames. There is no bitrate switch in CAN-FD Lite frames, but the bitrate can be up to 8 megabit per second. Let's have a closer look to the protocol details. There are very few changes in the protocol from CAN-FD to CAN-FD Lite. The only real difference is the extended identifier, which does not exist in CAN-FD Lite. The real difference is that in CAN-FD we have both the arbitration phase and the data phase, and these phases can have different bitrates. In CAN-FD Lite there is no bitrate switch and the entire frame has the same bitrate, which can be up to 8 megabit per second. In CAN-FD only the data phase supports 8 megabit, while the arbitration phase is limited to 1 megabit. Here on the screen of the oscilloscope, you can see at the top a normal CAN-FD frame with 1 megabit per second arbitration and 8 megabit per second data phase, and on the bottom a CAN-FD Lite frame with 8 megabit per second data rate. It's clearly visible that a CAN-FD Lite frame with the same amount of data is shorter and more efficient. With the extension CAN-FD Lite, the CAN options from Teledyne LeCroy are the first solution supporting all CAN variants, including Classic CAN, CAN-FD and CAN-FD Lite, as well as CAN XL in SIG and fast mode. For more information, follow the link.